Today I'm working with a Project Source toilet and I'll demonstrate how to install the seat. Doing a close-up how to assemble the seat, it's a bit confusing. Lots of parts, but they got these soft rubber cushions with little noogies on them, and you line it up with that hole and line up the noogies and it falls right into place. One for each side. And that lays right on the porcelain. Then you have these inserts that just fall in there and they're slotted so you can adjust the seat any direction you want. Then you put your bolts down through that go down through the toilet. Line it up with the holes, drop it right in. Then install the little nut with the rounded side up, holding the top, both sides, snug it up. Now adjust the seat how you like it, and then take a flathead screwdriver on the top of here, hold the bottom and snug it up, both sides. Then install your beauty caps. It appears this little bump out will line up with that bump out. Oh wow, I gotta turn it. Yep. There you go. Both sides. Nice! I'd like to thank everyone for watching. Hope this has helped someone. And if you'd like to watch the full toilet install, I'll provide a link